Hi guys, today we talk about the Realme GT 5 Pro versus Google Pixel 8 Pro. The Google Pixel 8 Pro launched on October 2023 with the price tag of $999 and the Realme GT 5 Pro launched on December 2023 with the price tag of $600 and the dimension is same. And the weight of the device is the Realme GT 5 Pro come with 280 gram and the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 213 gram. The build is the front and back glass and aluminum framing board wise, and the board wise come with dual SIM port with nano memory SIM card. And the display of the device is the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with LTPO OLED 16 color. Realme GT 5 Pro come with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color. The screen size of the device is the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 6.7 inches display and the Realme GT 5 Pro come with 6.78 inches display. The resolution of the device is the Realme GT 5 Pro come with 1264 by 2780 pixels and the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 1344 by 2992 pixels. And the PPI density, the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 489 PPI density and the Realme GT 5 Pro come with 450 PPI density. And the Realme GT 5 Pro come with 144Hz refresh rate and the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 120Hz refresh rate. The screen to body ratio, the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 87.4% of screen to body ratio and the Realme GT 5 Pro come with 92.0% body ratio and Realme GT 5 Pro come with Gorilla Glass protection and the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with Gorilla Glass Plus 2 protection. The Realme GT 5 Pro come with 4500 nits peak of brightness and Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 2400 nits peak of brightness. Let's talk about the camera of these devices. The Google Pixel 8 Pro come with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 48 megapixel ultra wide and 48 megapixel periscope telephoto, and it record 4K 60 fps video. And the Realme GT 5 Pro come with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 50 megapixel periscope telephoto, and it record 8K 30 fps video. And the selfie camera of these devices, the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 10.5 megapixel of selfie camera and 4K 60 fps video record, and the Realme GT 5 Pro come with 32 megapixel of selfie camera and 4K 30 fps video record. And the platform of these devices, the Realme GT 5 Pro come with octa-core Cortex X4 CPU and the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with Nona-core with Cortex X3. And the chipset of these devices, the Google and the Realme GT 5 Pro come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset. And the GPU of these devices, the Google Pixel 8 Pro and the Realme GT 5 Pro come with a Motorola G715S and Adreno 750 GPU. And the board device come with Android 14 operating system. And the memory of these devices, the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 12GB of RAM and the Realme GT 5 Pro come with 12GB and 16GB of RAM. And the internal storage, the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 128GB, 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage. And the Realme GT 5 Pro come with 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage. No SD card support in both mobiles. And the battery of these devices, the Realme GT 5 Pro come with 5400 mAh battery and the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 5050 mAh battery. And Realme GT 5 Pro go 100 watt fast charging supported and the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 30 watt fast charging. And the wireless charging, the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 23 watt wireless charging and Realme GT 5 Pro 50 watt wireless charging supported. And the both mobile come with 5G network support. The common and feature is same in both devices, and the result of these devices, the Realme GT 5 Pro go 23 points and Google Pixel 8 Pro go 20 points.
Ratoncito le gusta danza cuando estudio en la escuela. Pajarita se cubre botín cuando visita a su abuela. Si necesita una amiga, debe hablar con ratoncito. Si quieres ser mi amante, debe ser alta y delgadita. Lunes, martes, ratones, pez. Miércoles, jueves, todos. Lunes, martes, ratones, pez. Miércoles, jueves.